I am very glad to inform you that our business has turned out very satisfactorily indeed during the past year, notwithstanding that much has militated against our progress. Before dealing with the figures in the accounts, I think it is necessary for me to recall to your minds what I said at our last meeting. You will probably remember these words. On this occasion, we have to meet an adverse balance, and it is deemed necessary to take immediate steps to improve our position. At the beginning of the year, we brought forward a substantial amount, and now we are faced with a deficit. I am persuaded, however, that we could not have done better owing to the peculiar circumstances which were in operation during the year. Those who were present at the meeting in all probability remember the statement on this matter in the report. It was felt that by some means we must regain our position, and therefore every circumstance likely to have affected the profitable working of the company was considered, and the result reflects great credit on all those who are concerned in the reorganization, and I think that you are satisfied in this respect. Para change. Turning to the accounts for the year now under review, I think you will agree with me that we have done exceedingly well. On the credit side of the trading account, you will find that the business done shows an increase of $20,000. On the other side, we show an increase of working expenses, but the increase is not heavy and furnishes us with an example of the fact that the better the business we do, the lower is the ratio of expenses. On the assets side of the balance sheet, the property account item is the same as before, while the cash shows an increase of £1,200. On the liabilities side of the balance sheet, the cost of renovation has been charged to the reserve account, and I think you will quite agree with this. Our dividends for the past 5 years have averaged 10% per annum. Early in the coming year, there will be a special meeting to discuss the matter of further developments, and I take the liberty of urging all to be present. In the meantime, I trust we shall continue to prosper so that we may have a substantial increase in our profits.